All right, got it set up. Not actually an optimal place for it, but it'll have to do until I can get a rack system or something a little more stable than my table. Let's get to printing something. Again, I'm sorry for my production value and I'm shaking, yada yada. Maybe you have some Parkinson's coming on, who knows. It is what it is. That's life. That's what people say. Sorry for my singing. Let's go for, what the hell? Let's do a mobile phone holder. Now, I am going to level. I know supposedly it's leveled when you level it, but that's not what I'm going to do. I want to level it. So let's let this do its thing with the leveling. And once it starts printing, I'll be back. I also have the camera set up inside, so I do want to test that in this video to see if it will send video. Thank you. I'm going to get better at this. I am. All right, here we go. Finally leveled, and it's starting its first layer. Let's see where we can go from here. I am holding this in my hands. I'm not going to hold it forever. But I just wanted to show you that it has started printing. Now, this is my first video. I'm going to leave all my mistakes in here. Every uncut deal, every mistake, because I want to see how I get better as time goes on. If the views warrant, I will start buying better equipment, better cameras, that sort of thing. I'm definitely going to get a better microphone regardless. I know listening to somebody talk on a phone can be kind of awful. So let's there we go again. Slip of the tongue, but it's staying in. Anyway, let's let this run a little bit, and as it progresses, I'll come back and clue you in. I know the lighting's a little bad, isn't it? I do have an LED coming. It shipped a little bit late. So once that comes, this will get a little better. I'm also recording on the FlashForge app. We'll see how that goes. Thanks. So let's check in. I did not know this was going to be a cat, to be honest with you. I may print this in purple once I get some purple filament for my daughter. Yeah, this is, I'm just going to say it, it's bitching. It's just bitching to watch this work. I could watch the ASMR or whatever, just the noise and everything, really calming, except for the smell. I am going to get a HEPA filter. I do have a case, and I'm probably going to do something with a fan. I wonder if there's a quieter fan available. Anyway, just wanted to give you an update. Be back. All right, cat's done. It looks, I'm just going to say it looks really good, except for maybe a little stringing right there on that one whisker, and the nose and the mouth. But once I learn the settings, we'll get better. We'll get better, just like doing the videos. You know, again, I will buy better equipment if it warrants it, but I don't know why I'm doing this. Just for the fun of it, I guess. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one. I'm going to be printing the enclosure for this, and you folks that stuck through me all this jumbled nonsense to the end, or even if you just stuck with me for the first 30, 40 seconds, thank you.